O to apply for American Tourist Visa B2. Foreign Citizen Planning to temporarily enter United State for medical treatment, tourisme, or pleasure will need to obtain an immigrant B2 visa. Tourist visa are generally granted for 6 months to ganote 6 months extension can be granted. Will the process for obtaining a B2 visa ma follow the same general path, the requirement en issuance time ma vary per country. Follow the steps to obtain your B2 visa. B2 visa application basique. CNO WHO need an American Tourist Visa B2 form. En e-citizen of a foreign country WHO want to visit a United State must obtain a visa. The B2 visa it tourism visa. Standard activity covered under the B2 visa include, 1. Tourisme, vacation, or holiday, visiting with friends or relative, enrolling in short study course de no coin accredit over a degré. It must be simply for recreational use, medical treatment, participating in social event hosted by service, fraternal, or social organisation, en participating in sporting or musical event, so long as they are no getting paid to participate. If you are traveling to the US for 90 days or less are from a participating country, you may be eligible for the visa waiver program. Visit travel.state.gov to see if you qualify or if your country on of the participating country. 2. Contact the United States Embassy or Consulate to apply for your visa. All to you can contact an US Consular Office, it may be easy to obtain the visa from the office which a jurisdiction over your permanent residence. It is also important to apply well in advance of your trip since waiting to complete the application process vary by country. CNO some embassy and consulate will have you go through the process of obtaining a visa in a different date listed. Follow the direction of your embassy if given it a differ from those anti-page. Schedule a time for an interview with the embassy consular. Qui required for applicant from age 14 to 79. Unless requested, person of age usually don't have to undergo an interview. Beavar you are allowed to apply for a visa en US embassy or consulate, but you may find it hard to obtain a visa a an embassy in your country of residence. Fill out online application. TITDS 160 online on immigrant visa application. Application fill out online en sans toute Department of State website for review. L'application determine your eligibility to enter the US on a B2 visa. You can access the form. Pick the right photo. You will have to upload a photo to the visitor visa application. The photo must follow specific guidelines. These include, 3. The photo should be in color. No black and white photo will be allowed. Your reading image must be 1 inch, 2.5 cm, en 1,38 inch, 22 mm en 35 mm, or 50% en 69% of the image is from the top of the eye to the bottom of the chin. No bolder than ciment. You should have had the photo taken within ciment of applying for your visa. Because your picture should reflect how you currently look. Should have only a plain white wall at the background. Your face should be directly facing the camera. You should have a neutral expression, with both eyes open, wearing the clothes you wear on a day-to-day basis, ove, don't wear a uniform. Interviewing process. CNO 3 for visa application. You may be required to pay a non-refundable fee before you actually go in for interview. Of October 2013, the fee is $160. You may also be required to pay a visa issuance reciprocity fee if it apply to your nationality. Find out if the fee apply to you a travel.state.gov web link. Get it thing you will need at interview. Those items are listed below. 4. Passport, it must be a valid passport to allow you to travel into US. It must have an expiration date tie a list 6 months after your trip abroad. Your DS-160 application confirmation page, tactual application will get virtually en tout office ahead of you. You need to bring your printed confirmation page that you will receive after you have finished application. A receipt from your application fee, you only have to bring it if you are required to pay the fee before your interview. Your photo, only bring it if you attend to upload your picture to your DS-160 form file. Your embassy or consulate may request that you bring the document to your interview. Check their website to see if you need to bring anything else. The document may include evidence that you can pay for your trip, or evidence of the purpose of your trip. Prepare for the interview with the consular officer. You will have to overcome the presumption that you are to become an immigrant. Establish that you intend to enter the US for medical treatment, tourism, or pleasure. Have your evidence prepared. You must show that you will remain only for a specific period of time and that you, or someone acting on your behalf, have the money to cover your expense within the United States. You will need to show that you have a strong abroad, including a residence which will ensure your return to your permanent country of residence. If you are seeking medical treatment, you may need to provide a diagnosis from your physician explaining the treatment sought in United States from the facility or doctor providing treatment. It should also provide the cost and length of treatment. You may also need to establish the cost will be paid. 5. Note that you will be fingerprinted. A digital fingerprint scan will be taken at the time of the interview. Note that your application may need further processing. Some applications take longer to process than others. The official you speak with at embassy or consulate will tell you whether or not your application will need to be processed more thoroughly. If your visa is issued, there may be a visa issuance reciprocity fee added to your expense. Note that there is no guarantee that you will be issued a visa. Since no assurance can be given in advance that your visa will be approved, you should wait with the purchase of a travel ticket or buy refundable ticket.